Hello, my name is Grace Kenney, and I am the Environmentalist at Slate School. Here, it is my job to facilitate the outdoor learning experiences, as well as participate in the ongoing development of a learner's garden. The garden curriculum supports the integrated and interdisciplinary learning opportunities that are inspired by the garden and incorporates the children's unique interests. I began my research on how to integrate a garden into the lives of elementary age students with the ideas from the Wisconsin School Garden Network's book, Teaching in Nature's Classroom, written by Nathan Larson, and Mel Bartholomew's Square Foot Garden methodologies, in addition to conversations with collaborators from local outdoor education programs. The garden serves as a setting for curiosity-based, child-centered experiences. The children choose what they will grow and then work together to create garden plans, weaving mathematical and spatial reasoning together to answer questions like, how many beans can we plant if we have an 8-foot by 4-foot garden bed? They tend to the garden, watering, weeding, and harvesting. They learn what different plants need to live, how they change as they grow, and learn the history of that vegetable's relationship with human cultures. The garden is a place for supporting the children's social and emotional growth as they share in the fruits of their labor as equally as in the disappointments. There naturally arising questions like, why is one tomato a different color from another? Or if I plant this tree branch in soil, will it come back to life? These questions branch off into further independent or group studies. The recording of these questions and their observations and new understandings in their nature journals helps to make the garden a living artifact of the children's learning. My two greatest challenges that I would like guidance on are, first, a better understanding of how to keep the cycle of the outdoor garden intact and relevant for our students when the main growing season is inherently offset from our academic calendar. What are some ways the children's connection to the garden can sustainably be upheld during the summer months, and how can we extend the fullness of a garden-based education throughout the entire school year? Secondly, I have observed garden planning to currently unfold as parallel planning, where children contribute their individual ideas alongside each other, but have not yet engaged in true collaboration. I would like to consider avenues for making these garden planning experiences more inherently collaborative. Before I go, I have 3 questions to ask, and the first is, how best can we balance learner-centered aspects of the garden with facilitator-directed moments in order to make the garden a rich and increasingly meaningful resource for the children? How might we best document authentic student growth through their involvement in a learner's garden? And what are some ways we can support families in understanding the valuable and varying learning opportunities that occur in a garden? Thank you very much for considering my Inspirers Initiative proposal, and I look forward very much to this opportunity to collaborate. Thank you.